Test ODI captain Shaheen Shah Afridi has addressed growing speculation about the absence of star batter Babar Azam from his squad for the ODI series against the Bangladesh national cricket team, clarifying that the decision should not be seen as a player being dropped but rather as part of a broader effort to build the Test future. As one of Test's most prolific batters of the last decade and a former captain of the national side, his absence immediately sparked debate among fans and analysts about whether the management had taken a major step in reshaping the team. However, speaking ahead of the opening ODI in Dhaka, Afridi was quick to dismiss the narrative that Babar had been removed from the side due to form or selection issues. According to the fast-bowling captain, the decision was part of a deliberate strategy to test emerging players and expand his talent pool in the over format. As management believes that building bench strength is essential, particularly with major international tournaments approaching in the coming years. The captain explained that the message within the team environment has been clear. The absence of established players should not be interpreted as permanent or punitive. Instead, it reflects a plan to provide opportunities to cricketers who have been performing consistently in domestic competitions and development squads. A selection panel has included several promising young players in the ODI squad for the Bangladesh tour. Many of these players have impressed in Test domestic circuit and youth programs, and the series represents their first opportunity to prove themselves on the international stage. For them, the Bangladesh tour could be a defining moment in their careers. The Pakistan Cricket Board and the guest coaching staff are believed to be looking beyond immediate results, focusing instead on long-term preparation. With the next cycle of international tournaments approaching, the management wants to ensure that Pakistan has a wider group of players capable of stepping into the national side when needed. Several members of the team have prior experience playing in Bangladesh through franchise tournaments, which means they are already familiar with local conditions. Pitch conditions in Bangladesh often favor spin bowling and require patience from batters, factors that can challenge visiting teams. However, Afridi believes his players have enough knowledge of the environment to adapt quickly and perform effectively. The three ODIs are scheduled to take place in Dhaka, where Bangladesh traditionally enjoys strong home support. Bangladesh has steadily improved in the ODI format over the past decade and will be eager to use home conditions to their advantage. For Pakistan, meanwhile, the tour represents the first ODI assignment of the year and an important test for Afridi as captain. Since taking over the leadership role, the left-arm fast bowler has been tasked with guiding the team through a period of transition while maintaining his competitive edge in international cricket. Despite his absence from the squad for this series, Babar Azam remains one of the most important figures in Pakistan cricket. Over the years, he has established himself as one of the most consistent batters in world cricket across all formats. His elegant batting style and ability to anchor innings have earned him recognition as one of the leading players of his generation. His ODI record is particularly impressive, with numerous centuries and thousands of runs to his name. At various points in his career, he has ranked among the top batters in the world in the over format. Team insiders suggest that his absence from the Bangladesh tour should not be interpreted as a long-term decision. Instead, it is seen as a temporary move designed to give younger players game time while allowing the management to experiment with different combinations in the batting lineup. The discussion around his omission highlights the challenges faced by national teams during periods of transition. Balancing the experience of established stars with the development of new talent is often a delicate process. Test management appears to be attempting that balance by gradually introducing fresh players without closing the door on senior figures. International cricket presents a much higher level of pressure and intensity than domestic competitions, and the Bangladesh series will be an important test of their temperament and skill. For Afridi and the Pakistan team management, success will not be measured solely by the series result but also by the performances of these emerging players. If they can demonstrate the ability to compete at the highest level, Pakistan may emerge from the tour with a deeper and more versatile squad. With the ODI series against Bangladesh now underway, the coming matches will show whether S gamble on youth pays off and whether the next generation is ready to step into the spotlight.